In order to find and manage display settings on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to simply go to Settings, and then over here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the display, where you can, for example, choose between the light and dark theme. And if you go to dark mode settings, you can also create a schedule for dark mode. You can adjust the screen brightness, your adaptive brightness, which is the automatic screen brightness, and if the adaptive brightness is disabled, you can also use extra brightness. We have the motion smoothness option, where we can choose the refresh rate, which can be set between 120 Hz or 60. Well, not between, but you can choose one of these two. Then we also have the eye comfort shield, which is like a blue light filter, which turns your screen orange. And then we also have adaptive color tone, which adjusts colors and white balance based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear more natural in different environments. We have the screen mode, where we can choose more vivid or natural colors. Then we also have the font size and style options, screen zoom, where we can adjust the display size or DPI. We have camera cutout, where we can hide the camera cutout in specific apps. We have the screen timeout options, easy mode, and edge panels, as well as the option to choose between buttons or gestures for navigation, plus some additional options related to the touch, like the accidental touch protection or touch sensitivity, which can be increased, which might be helpful in case you use a screen protector and it generates some issues with the screen. Besides that, we also can enable and disable the charging information, and we can also find a screen saver. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!